Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, and Meta have committed an estimated $710 billion to capital expenditure for AI infrastructure by 2026. This chart tracks that infrastructure spending as a percentage of US GDP. The current AI sprint has already surpassed the financial scale of both the Apollo program and the Manhattan Project. This unprecedented level of private spending has triggered global regulatory alarms, drawing active investigations from the Federal Trade Commission. Regulators fear these tech giants are using their wealth to build a compute moat so deep that no competitor will ever cross it. Determining if an AI monopoly is truly inevitable requires a look at exactly how these companies are securing every layer of the AI tech stack. Hardware forms the base layer of the stack. This means thousands of specialized chips, drawing massive amounts of power inside sprawling cloud data centers. Currently, NVIDIA acts as the primary gatekeeper, supplying the vast majority of these essential AI training chips. Major cloud service providers are moving beyond simply buying NVIDIA hardware to designing their own custom silicon. Amazon is deploying AWS Trainium. Google has its tensor processing units. Microsoft is rolling out Maya. These chips are strictly available to rent on their respective clouds, never for public sale. The demand for these computing resources is so high that, to avoid the immediate regulatory scrutiny of a direct acquisition, big tech companies instead funnel billions of dollars into these labs as minority investors. However, FTC investigators found that much of this investment capital is contractually mandated to be routed immediately back to the cloud provider to pay for server time. These partnerships allow cloud providers to extract equity, revenue-sharing rights, board observation seats, and exclusive product integrations. Internal documents from the FTC study show that providers also use these partnerships to extract hardware business intelligence, letting them co-design chips that are tailored to the needs of major developers. This closed-loop financial system acts as a legal loophole, allowing the largest companies to absorb the market's top AI talent and frontier models without technically owning them. At the top of the stack sit the software and data layers, where models are trained on massive datasets and deployed to end users. As this timeline of model evolution shows, the industry is shifting from fast, intuitive models to deliberate System-2 reasoning systems that process information step by step. Training these advanced reasoning systems requires access to enormous, often exclusive troves of high-quality data. This creates the ultimate fear for regulators, that big tech's existing user bases and enterprise software suites provide an unbeatable data moat that no startup could ever replicate. If the data moat theory holds, then combining it with absolute control over silicon and cloud infrastructure would finalize a monopoly across the entire AI stack. Data differs from oil in several critical ways. It can be licensed, synthesized, and substituted, meaning that simply possessing it does not guarantee market dominance. Antitrust law distinguishes between high costs of entry, which are common in major industries, and actual exclusionary conduct that illegally blocks rivals from competing. Open-weight models are improving rapidly, often bypassing the need for massive proprietary data by utilizing public datasets and specialized architectures. The stack is already fragmenting into specialized layers, from model routing and inference providers to AI systems tailored for legal, medical, or financial research. With competition thriving at these specialized layers and technical workarounds like synthetic data multiplying, the dream of a total vertical lockdown across the entire stack remains elusive. The immediate threat to this $710 billion infrastructure sprint isn't regulation. It is a severe lack of profitable enterprise adoption. By the start of 2026, data showed that over 80% of enterprise AI initiatives failed to deliver their intended business value. Even Microsoft recently pulled back, canceling the majority of direct AI licenses for its own employees after internal costs far exceeded projections. A massive gap has opened between the hundreds of billions spent on infrastructure and the years it will take for pure-play AI vendors to reach actual profitability. The current market reflects a temporary infrastructure oligopoly, sustained by a precarious financial bubble. The final winners will likely be those who focus less on the depth of their moat and more on surviving the looming market correction.